Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cross post threads content to Instagram Reel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, you can simply share a threads post or Reels link to your Instagram story, but there is no direct cross posting of a reel from threads to Instagram Reels, and only Reels can be shared automatically from Instagram to threads, not the other way around. So to share a thread post to your Instagram story, all you can go is simply tap open your threads. So once you have opened your threads, you can simply scroll down to the post you want to share. So once you've found the post, you can find this option called share. Simply tap on it, and there you can find the option called Instagram stories. So you can simply tap on the Instagram story option to simply share this thread content on your Instagram story, but not in Reels particular. However, you can simply share your Instagram Reels to your thread as well. You cannot eventually post your threads to your Instagram Reels, but if you go and tap open your Reel, you can simply tap on the send option in your reel and scroll down to find threads option right over there. Simply tap on threads, and now you can simply post this particular video or reel on your threads as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.